Myth or fact? Zero-emission trucks are too expensive. I'll just stick with a diesel.
Well, that's a myth. Did you know zero-emission trucks can save your business thousands every year? New zero-emission trucks can cost up to twice as much as diesel trucks, but companies who make the upfront investment are saving thousands of dollars every month on fuel and maintenance costs, meaning that electric trucks can pay for themselves in savings. Contact the dealer from the California HVIP catalog to learn your fleet's total cost of ownership savings. Visit the HVIP website to discover the incentive options you may qualify for.